Hi, I'm Dr. David Fitzwilliam, and welcome back to Healthy Body and Healthy Mind. Today's video brings together everything we've discussed about one simple yet powerful recipe, the Avocado Power Smoothie. This smoothie uses just 4 natural ingredients, but when combined in the right balance, they provide nutrients that support steady energy, digestive health, and overall daily vitality. Before we begin, please remember that this content is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. The goal is to support and maintain a healthy body through balanced nutrition and preventive lifestyle habits. Let's begin by looking at the ingredients that make this smoothie so effective. The first ingredient is avocado. Avocado is well known for its healthy monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health and help the body absorb certain fat-soluble nutrients. These healthy fats also slow the digestion of carbohydrates, which can help prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar and support steadier energy levels throughout the day. Avocado is also a source of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. Fiber helps support digestive health, while potassium contributes to normal muscle and nerve function. Because avocado is naturally creamy, it also creates a smooth texture in smoothies without the need for added sugars or artificial ingredients. The second ingredient is unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk provides a light, plant-based liquid base for the smoothie while keeping the overall calorie load balanced. Unlike many sweetened beverages, unsweetened almond milk contains little to no added sugars, which helps maintain a healthier nutritional profile. Almond milk also contributes hydration, which is essential for many processes in the body, including circulation, digestion, and nutrient transport. When used in smoothies, it allows the other ingredients to blend smoothly while keeping the drink refreshing and easy to digest. The third ingredient is banana. Bananas provide natural carbohydrates, which serve as a quick and efficient source of energy for the body. This makes banana an excellent ingredient for a breakfast smoothie or a snack before light physical activity. Bananas are also rich in potassium, a mineral that supports muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. Many people know potassium for its role in helping maintain normal muscle function, which is why bananas are often associated with physical activity and recovery. In addition to potassium, bananas provide vitamin B6 and dietary fiber. Fiber helps support digestive regularity, while vitamin B6 plays a role in energy metabolism and the functioning of the nervous system. The fourth ingredient is chia seeds. Chia seeds may be small, but they are incredibly nutrient-dense. One of their most valuable qualities is their high soluble fiber content. When chia seeds absorb liquid, they form a gel-like texture that can help slow digestion and promote a feeling of fullness. This soluble fiber supports digestive health and helps nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Maintaining a balanced gut microbiome is increasingly recognized as an important factor in overall well-being. Chia seeds are also an excellent plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help support heart and brain health. In addition, chia seeds provide minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and iron, which contribute to bone health, muscle function, and normal energy production. When these 4 ingredients are combined, avocado, almond milk, banana, and chia seeds, they create a balanced nutritional profile that includes healthy fats, natural carbohydrates, fiber, plant-based omega-3s, and essential micronutrients. This balance is important because it allows the body to receive energy in a more stable and sustained way. Instead of relying on highly processed foods or drinks that may lead to quick spikes and crashes in energy levels, whole foods like these provide a steadier release of nutrients. Now let's look at how to prepare the Avocado Power Smoothie. For one serving, you will need half a ripe avocado, 1 medium banana, 1 cup or about 250 milliliters of unsweetened almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Start by pouring the almond milk into your blender first. Adding the liquid at the beginning helps the other ingredients blend more smoothly. Next, scoop the flesh of half a ripe avocado into the blender. Then break the banana into smaller chunks and add it in. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Blend the ingredients for about 30 to 45 seconds until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. If you prefer a colder smoothie, you can add a few ice cubes before blending. After blending, you may allow the smoothie to sit for a couple of minutes. During this time, the chia seeds will absorb some of the liquid and slightly thicken the texture, creating a richer and more satisfying drink. The result is a naturally creamy smoothie that contains no added sugars, artificial flavors, or preservatives, just whole ingredients working together. Let's now talk about how this smoothie may support the body when included as part of a balanced lifestyle. The healthy fats from avocado contribute to satiety, meaning they help you feel fuller for longer. This can help reduce unnecessary snacking and support more balanced eating patterns. The natural carbohydrates from banana provide energy that the body can use relatively quickly, making the smoothie suitable for mornings or for times when you need a gentle energy boost. The fiber from both avocado and chia seeds helps support digestive regularity. Fiber also slows the absorption of sugars from foods, which may contribute to more stable blood sugar levels. Omega-3 fatty acids from chia seeds support cardiovascular health and play an important role in maintaining healthy cell membranes throughout the body. Meanwhile, the hydration from almond milk helps maintain fluid balance, which is essential for digestion, circulation, and overall physical performance. Together, these ingredients create a smoothie that supports several aspects of well-being, including energy balance, digestive support, satiety, and heart health. Another benefit of this smoothie is its simplicity. With only 4 ingredients, it is easy to prepare, easy to remember, and easy to incorporate into a daily routine. Many people find that starting the day with a balanced meal or drink can influence their energy levels and food choices for the rest of the day. A smoothie like this can be a convenient option for busy mornings while still providing meaningful nutritional value. Of course, no single food or recipe is a solution on its own. Good health is always the result of a combination of factors, including balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, sufficient sleep, and effective stress management. However, simple recipes like the Avocado Power Smoothie can become small daily habits that contribute to a healthier lifestyle over time. When we focus on prevention and nourishment rather than quick fixes, we give our bodies the support they need to function at their best. All the ingredients used in this recipe are listed for you. You'll find the ingredient links at the beginning of the description. I'm Dr. David Fitzwilliam, and I believe that prevention is better than cure. Subscribe to Healthy Body and Healthy Mind, and for more natural health guidance, visit fixmyhealth123.com.